Hey guys, how you doing? Somebody told me you wanted to be a better pool player, so I made this video just for you. Cheers. Yeah, we got some cheap whiskey. That's what I do. That look good? Yeah, YouTube's liable to smack me on the wrist for drinking on the job here. Setting a bad example for the kids. YouTube. I would think hard on dedicating your life to a game where there's not a whole lot of future in. Maybe if you lived in Asia, I might say, okay, go for it. But in America, I'm sorry. You should let my mistakes be your benefit. Anyhow, I'm going to get off the negative trip and get on with this here video. Here we go. I was going to graph this table for you so you can see how simple this run out is. If you make the one and you leave, can you see my mouse? This is huge on my screen, but when you go back and play back the video, it's back to tiny. Just, you see where the 8-ball is, get along that, where that 8-ball is, but maybe 5 inches closer to the center of the table, but along that same angle, so you can just draw off the 2 and get straight in on the 3, and just maybe draw back a little bit on the 4, draw back on the 5. You're not even hitting the rail on most of this run out here. Shoot the 5 in the side, and the 8 or the 6 is right in the corner. Just draw back off the 6. The whole thing is pretty much draw shot run out. 7's in the side, and 8 and 9 are down in this corner. It's really basic run out, but as you can see, I get out of line right from the start, right off the 1 ball. So I spend the rest of this game trying to get back to that plan and trying to get it back to easy instead of making it hard. And as you can see, I shoot the 1 really bad, and I get way too far down table on the rail and really a bad angle here, so I can't get close to the 3 ball. I can get straight in, but I just can't get close, and I'm left with a relatively hard shot on the 3 to get that position on the 4. So the only thing I can do here to get back in line and back to the plan is to go to this rail and just bounce out a couple inches. So that's what I do, and I settle for the long shot, and I'm just continually trying to get back in line. So because of that long shot, I couldn't get exactly great on the 4 ball. I wanted to just draw off the 4 and get straight in on the 5, but now I'm forced to go to the rail, and I almost scratch here. So because I knew, I couldn't draw that ball down table, I'd get stuck in this traffic right here. I chose to go to the rail, but my plan was to shoot the 5 down in this corner. I hope you can see my mouse. Instead of shooting it in the side, and you can see that almost created a disaster. So now I'm forced to shoot this 5 ball in this corner down here. And I just stop the ball and now I'm back in line with the original plan, is to get pretty much straight in on the 6. So now I'm finally back to the original plan that I had, and to make this a simple, stop and shoot or maybe draw a run out. So it took me to get into the 6 ball to get back in line. So I guess I'll name this video get back in line or something along those lines. So that's just a stop shot in the side, and this is just poke, maybe draw a couple inches back. for a straight-in shot on the 9. It was really an easy run out, and it goes back to the video I made about keeping everything simple. I kind of made it hard on myself when I didn't have to. But if you develop a good plan from the start, your agenda should be to get back in line instead of just giving up and trying to do something stupid and changing the whole plan around. Just get back to the plan. I hope everybody's having a good day. It's raining here in Tennessee. It's been raining for 4 or 5 days now. It's just one of those things. Cheers, everybody. I'm drinking cheap whiskey and enjoying my life in spite of the rain. And I'm going out tonight and playing some more pool. Peace.